Crypto, the future of digital currency. Cryptocurrencies are quickly emerging as the next big thing in the financial world. They're transforming how we perceive and use money, and many believe they represent the future of digital currency. Let's explore this cutting-edge financial innovation. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future interesting videos. What is cryptocurrency? A primer picture money, but instead of a physical form, it's digital. Now, imagine this digital currency being so secure that it's practically unbackable. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. Born in the digital realm, cryptocurrency operates independently of any central authority like governments or banks, making it truly decentralized. This concept was brought to life in 2009 with the creation of Bitcoin, the pioneer of all cryptocurrencies. Fast forward to today, and the cryptocurrency family has grown to include thousands of different types, fondly referred to as altcoins. Some of the noteworthy members of this family are Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. So, when you hear the term cryptocurrency, know that it's not just limited to Bitcoin. It's an umbrella term that encapsulates a world of digital currencies, each with its unique features and uses. Dive deeper, and you'll discover an intriguing realm of digital finance that is steadily redefining the traditional understanding of money. The importance of cryptocurrency in today's economy. Our speed cryptocurrency isn't merely an intriguing financial concept. It's a dynamic digital force reshaping our economic landscape. In today's interconnected world, where traditional borders are fading, cryptocurrencies step in as a globally acknowledged and accessible form of money. Their key strengths? Speed, security, and absence of geographical boundaries. That's why cryptocurrencies shine as a beacon for international transactions, providing an ease and efficiency that traditional currencies often fail to match. Plus, their decentralized nature grants users financial liberty and anonymity, something that conventional currency systems can't offer. However, cryptocurrencies aren't just about transactions and privacy. They also present a novel and potentially lucrative investment avenue. Unlike conventional markets, the crypto market operates 24/7, offering investors the ability to respond instantly to market changes. With the promise of high returns, they are attracting not only individual investors, but also institutional ones. However, it's critical to remember that high reward often comes with high risk. As the economic world turns progressively digital, cryptocurrencies are steadily gaining prominence and redefining our understanding of what money truly is. This redefinition of money signals a pivotal shift towards a future economic order driven by digital innovation and enhanced security features. It offers a fresh perspective on monetary transactions and the overall financial industry, spurring exciting changes and opportunities. The advancements in cryptocurrency technology. Let's delve into the world of blockchain, the revolutionary technology that powers cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is essentially a transparent, secure, and virtually indestructible ledger system. It records every transaction across a network of computers, ensuring that the record is not only accurate but also resistant to any form of tampering. As we step into the future, the technology is rapidly evolving. Innovative developments like smart contracts and decentralized finance (DeFi) are stretching the boundaries of how cryptocurrencies can be used. It's no longer just about transactions. These advancements are clearing a path for the integration of cryptocurrencies into our daily lives. From paying for your morning coffee with Bitcoin to buying real estate with Ethereum, the possibilities are endless. With each passing day, the technology behind cryptocurrencies is breaking new ground, enhancing their functionality, and further cementing their position in our digital future. Crypto, the future of digital currency. As we step into a more digitalized and borderless economy, the question that keeps resurfacing is, will cryptocurrencies be the standard for future digital currency? The continuous growth and acceptance of cryptocurrencies seem to point towards a positive answer. More and more businesses are recognizing the benefits of crypto payments, not to mention, some countries are even piloting their own digital currencies. China, for instance, is taking a leap into the future with its digital yuan. These trends certainly hint at a world where cryptocurrencies are commonplace. However, like every new frontier, this digital revolution also faces some obstacles. The volatility of cryptocurrencies and their susceptibility to cybercrimes raise eyebrows. Moreover, the reputation of digital currencies often takes a hit due to their association with illegal activities. Then there's also the hurdle of public skepticism and lack of understanding. Overcoming these challenges will be crucial to cementing the role of cryptocurrencies in the future of digital currency. As we navigate through these exciting times, one thing seems certain: cryptocurrencies are not just a passing phase, they are rapidly becoming an integral part of our financial ecosystem. Challenges facing cryptocurrency adoption. Adopting cryptocurrency on a large scale isn't without its roadblocks. One of the most discussed concerns is the infamous price volatility of cryptocurrencies. This can lead to considerable financial losses, making it a risky choice for the uninitiated. But it's not just the capricious nature of the market that raises alarms. Cryptocurrencies are also often targeted by cybercriminals, putting both the financial assets and personal data of users at risk. The use of digital currencies in illegal activities is another factor that fuels skepticism and regulatory concerns. Beyond these issues, perhaps one of the most significant barriers is the lack of understanding and trust among the general public. Cryptocurrency, for many, is an alien concept shrouded in complexity. This hinders its acceptance and makes its integration into everyday life a challenging task. Overcoming these obstacles will require continuous efforts in education, regulation, and technological advancement. It's a tough road ahead, but the potential benefits make it a journey worth undertaking. Despite the current roadblocks, there is a growing recognition of cryptocurrency's ability to reshape the financial landscape by offering decentralized, transparent, and secure financial transactions. Therefore, industry stakeholders need to focus on developing user-friendly platforms and enhancing public understanding of this nascent technology. Investing in cryptocurrency, a word of caution. Cryptocurrency investment can indeed be a roller coaster ride, promising a high-reward journey, but with its fair share of stomach-churning drops. The inherent volatility in crypto markets means prices can fluctuate wildly in a matter of minutes. Factors like regulatory developments, changes in market sentiment, or even a single tweet can significantly sway the value of your crypto assets. Hence, it's crucial to venture into this exciting yet unpredictable world with a well-informed mindset. Thorough research should be your first step before any investment decision. Understand the nuances of the crypto market, get acquainted with different cryptocurrencies, and stay updated with the latest trends and news. A clear understanding of the market can help you make more informed and less risky decisions. It's also important to see cryptocurrency investment as part of a broader, diversified investment strategy, rather than a shortcut to overnight riches. Diversification helps mitigate risk, so your entire financial well-being isn't tied to the fortunes of a single asset. Remember, while the stories of crypto millionaires may be alluring, they represent a fraction of investors and often don't account for the potential downsides. Finally, always be prepared for the possibility of loss. The golden rule of investment applies here too. Only invest what you can afford to lose. This way, you can enjoy the thrill of the crypto ride without putting your financial stability at risk. While maintaining a disciplined approach, explore different crypto platforms and learn how they work. Be ready to adjust your strategy as the crypto landscape evolves. The road ahead for cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are charting an intriguing course for the future, steering us towards an exciting era of digital finance. The journey is filled with obstacles, but the potential rewards are too tempting to ignore. The technological innovations in the crypto space are evolving at a breakneck pace, creating possibilities that were once pure science fiction. Businesses are embracing these digital currencies, driven by the prospect of streamlined operations and enhanced customer experiences. Even institutional investors, the titans of the financial world, are getting in on the action, drawn in by the promise of high returns. Yet, the future isn't just about businesses and investors. Cryptocurrencies are penetrating the everyday lives of ordinary people, from buying a cup of coffee to purchasing a home. It's a revolution redefining how we perceive and use money. While the contours of this new financial landscape are still taking shape, there's no denying the potential of cryptocurrencies to fundamentally alter our digital currency system. Hold on tight, because the crypto journey is just getting started. In the next wave, we'll delve into the innovative technology behind cryptocurrencies, demystify the intricacies of blockchain, and explore how cryptocurrencies might change not only the economy, but the social fabric of our society. This digital transformation is more than just a financial revolution, it's a societal shift. If you enjoyed from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future interesting videos. Thanks for watching.